your love is like a wind that blows. I can't give up and I can't let go.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today's a long awaited Slimming World video. As you know, I haven't uploaded my Slimming World video for the last 2 weeks. You might be able to tell from my throat still because it's still a little bit croaky, but I've had the flu, so I've not updated in the last 2 weeks. So let me just skip back because obviously I did start to vlog my daily goings on and everything, and then obviously I got sick, so I'm not even going to include that footage because I literally only started it and then I got sick. So I'm just going to look at my book because I did get weighed in and I never updated you of the results. Why is my battery flashing at me now? So basically, take it back a couple of weeks, which was the 12th of November, and I lost half a pound. So that was still a loss, which was really good. And then obviously last week I missed completely because I was poorly. And then obviously this week I went to weigh in again, and I weighed in at minus a pound again. So I'm actually minus 10 pounds right now, which is really good from where I started. So I'm really happy with that. I've lost every time. I know I've had a couple of maintains throughout the whole process, but nearly every time I've had a loss. So I'm really happy with that. So let's keep on with the weight loss. So that's everything. So nothing really much to tell. I'm still sort of just getting back on top of things. I went back to work on Monday, and today's Wednesday. So yeah, just trying to get back on top of things after being poorly last week, and eating last week wasn't the best, to be honest. I think I had McDonald's and I had pizza and I had Chinese one night, but I think because I wasn't generally eating too much in the daytime, that it kind of it sort of evened itself out. So I still managed to lose a pound, which is absolutely crazy. But yeah, excuse my throat as well because talking does make me cough a little bit still, so it isn't the best. So I'm not going to waffle on too much. I basically wanted this video just to update you guys on where I was up to. So yeah, so looking forward to the rest of the week. I've been super good today. We've had Slimming World chili yesterday for tea, and we've had it leftovers for tea tonight. So tomorrow I'm going out with my friend for food. And I think we're gonna get takeaway, or we might go out for dinner Friday maybe, or Saturday, one or the other anyway. So I'm going to have to obviously be sensible because obviously I want to still get a loss next week. Now, the other thing I need to update you on is that I've changed groups. So I used to be on the Thursday night group, but now I'm on a Tuesday night group. So I've moved groups completely. Now on a Tuesday night group. So yeah, I'm still going to be uploading on Thursdays, but obviously my waiting date has changed. But that doesn't matter to you guys. I'll still be uploading on Thursdays. So yes, I'm going to leave it there because I don't want my voice to completely run out. But I'm glad to be back. I hope you've enjoyed my little update. Obviously, let's get back to the normal weigh-ins and everything, and the updates and the regular videos on Thursday. So hope you enjoyed the video. If you want to give me a big thumbs up, that'd be brilliant. If you want to subscribe, you can do in the link below. That's it for today's video, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye.